I'm on a 2018 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then over here is the main reservoir you would add coolant to. If it got really low for some reason, you could also add directly to the radiator here. But anytime working with the system, you're going to make sure it's turned off and is cool, just because this liquid can get to a boil and it can work under pressure. So you don't want a bunch of hot, poisonous liquid to shoot out all over you. But that said, this is the main area you would ever add coolant to. And there's a max line and a minimum line, so you don't want it to fill all the way to the top. It's supposed to be some air gap. But with your coolant, make sure it matches the same color of what's in here, and ideally the same brand if you can help it. Best not to mix and match. But I'll just unscrew this, and either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, just fill as needed till you get to this max line. Then just screw this back on nice and tight. And then from there, double check around for any possible leaks through the reservoir, the lines. Look around all through the motor, through the radiator. One way to check for leaks too is with the vehicle on. You might see some coolant start to puddle around the motor or under the vehicle. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on, if you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. And if you do need to get in this cap, you just push down slightly and twist a couple times, and it just pops right out. And you will usually coolant right underneath this. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.